Say hello, hubby.
Hello.
Hello, hubby.
Special. Proper special.
Suppose better do an intro.
Yeah, probably.
I'll let you do it if you want.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are on just a little bimble. The weather is not too bad, a bit chilly but not raining, touch wood. So yeah, we thought why not, we'll go out. We weren't too sure what we were going to do because I was out yesterday, so we didn't know how delicate I would feel, but fresh as a daisy. We also have little mini karts wheels with us today, like bite-sized karts, on the back of his father. But yeah, join us, we'll see you after the intro.
Hey guys, that was a little bit different, wasn't it? We had Mrs. Karts doing the intro. So yeah, like she's just said, we are just having a little bimble. Mainly just to do a little bit of a recce really, because later on this year, when it gets a lot warmer and the weather is a lot nicer and the days are a lot longer, I'm going to try and get a little subs ride out planned. So if you're interested in that, drop a comment below, just so I can get a rough feel for how many numbers. And yeah, hopefully have a subs ride out around our neck of the woods.
Not a very interesting neck of the woods, but there's some nice roads.
There is some nice roads, and obviously today one of the roads that we'll be going down is a I don't know, what would you call it? A bit of a historical area, or
yeah, like a bit of a monument or something.
Pardon? I've lost you.
Oh, I've lost you.
Wee.
Yeah, I said maybe like a monument or something like that.
Yeah, but when we get to that part of the ride, I'll hopefully be able to get the drone up and tell you a little bit about it. I've done a little bit of research on it, so something quite interesting that obviously I never knew, and then yeah, but I imagine quite a lot of people will know it. But to start off with, we're just going to head to a place called I think it's called Whitton, not Wetton, Whitton Mill. Just on the outskirts of Northampton. There's a nice cafe there. There's go-kart tracks there, and I think we're just going to go and have a nice hot brew. So sit back, relax, put your feet up and chill out.
Oh, it's Spitfire Island.
No, it's not.
Well, what's that then?
Spitfire Island's in Birmingham.
Oh, what's that then?
This is just an island with a
plane on it.
It has got, yeah, it has, but the actual Spitfire Island is just outside like Earlston way.
Yeah.
You know where the JLR thing is, and go outdoors and that is.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Spitfire Island.
Oh, okay. Whatever.
Whatever.
Whatever. Oh, I'm so hungry. My belly is rumbling.
Let's go around.
There'll be rain. Where are you going?
All the way around again.
What?
Why? Waiting for you.
No, I said where are you going? Straight over.
I was waiting for you. Yeah, I was just waiting. I was waiting for you.
Yeah, no, that's fine. I just didn't know which exit I was actually heading for.
Right, if you floor it, you'll get past him. Good girl.
Is he still asleep?
Pardon?
Is he asleep?
His eyes keep going. As long as he's still got hold of me. Oh no, he's dancing. Ah, you little shit, you're fucking headbutting me.
He's dancing, he's having a great time. Like mother-like
No,
son.
his eyes have just gone that far. He's just literally put his hands back in, like, onto the handles.
Yeah, and just...
I'm resting his head.
Oh, okay. Woke up, had a dance, went back to sleep. That's a good life.
What's going on here?
What? Oh, is this where we're meant to be going?
Yeah, go on.
Oh, Wilton
Well, I'm wondering-
Mill, it's called.
Oh, Wilton.
Wilton.
Go on then, jump off, buddy. Good lad. He's steamed up. Oh yeah, so I wonder what's going on here then.
Yeah.
How was that, Cameron? Did you enjoy that? Yeah? You were falling asleep quite a lot, wasn't you?
Was you falling asleep again? Is riding
he
with your
was.
dad that boring?
Oi.
What?
I said oi.
Did you see the helicopter when we were coming round? It's there.
It's there. There's a helicopter just down there.
You see it?
Aye.
Oh, they've got like racing on or something. That's going to be well cool.
On the Ultimate Karting Championship, it's all of you. It's all been driving the command 5 seconds. The lights come on, play go out on 20 and 12 minutes around the middle. The 5 on the that's the start of one in the door. It's going to be quite good. Just now and it's going to back door. He'll get the drop into the first corner and he takes the lead. Good stop. Well, it looks like he's going to get the goal, but now the final is trying to get the back.
Say hello, hubby.
Hello.
Hello, hubby.
Here we go again.
Yep. Right, this road that we're going to go down now.
Yeah.
Like I said, it gets a little bit bumpy.
Okay. Not me you need to
Right.
tell, darling. It's the child on the back of your bike. Hang on tight, boy. We're going for a ride.
Well, that was a nice little experience.
It was, wasn't it? It was much better than, you know, just going to a cafe and just kind of sitting there. Like, not that there's anything wrong with that, but it was nice to have a little bit of something to watch and stuff, you know what I mean?
Yeah. And bear in mind, they're only little kids as well that are doing it.
Oh no, it's so cute.
Oh, I feel devastated for that kid.
Oh, I know, bless him. He was literally just sat there like with his head hanging, crying. I was like, oh god, nearly cried for him. I mean, it don't take much for me to cry anyway, but...
It's amazing I found this little gem whilst driving the lorry.
I know, yeah. It's just like just swinging our bikes around and as you trying to squeeze through a freaking lorry.
Yeah, the lorry came through here easily, to be honest with you.
Just let me know if we come across a car or not, because obviously I'm just... They're the blind corners, aren't they? So you're...
Yeah, they are blind corners. Obviously we're not blasting it round here.
Of course not. Oh, there we go.
There's a bit of gravel in the road here, so...
Where you got?
Just follow the road.
You're going too far.
Oh, shitty now.
What?
Hello.
What?
You'll see it when you come round the corner.
Oh dear.
Oh dear.
Oh dear, oh dear. Ow, that was my ass. Oh.
I like this. You know, like these little villages that are them just got like their own little church.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, you're clear.
Yeah.
We're turning right straight away.
Okay.
Horse poop. Gravel. So guys, obviously I wanted to come down this road here because there is an estate just there called I think it's pronounced Alferton Estate.
Alferton. Yeah.
Alferton Estate. Now obviously there's a little bit of history behind that. So let's just pull into this
you're giving us
lay-by.
a history lesson.
A little bit of a history lesson.
Geek.
Now hopefully I can get the drone up. Hopefully.
Hello.
Hello. So how did you find that lane then?
Bumpy.
Bumpy. But because that's probably the first time you've ever properly done a single track lane on your bike.
Yeah, I think so. And definitely it's the most off-roading I've done, even though it was on road. But like I said to you, you were just razzing off, and I was like,
Cameron, shut up.
I said, you were riding off, and I was like, yeah, you got knobblies, I ain't got knobblies.
I couldn't hear ya, but nah, I wasn't razzing off.
You were razzing off.
I wasn't. I didn't go above 40 mile an hour.
Still razzed off on me. I probably didn't go above 30. Is that just trying to shut the child up?
Yeah. Oh, look at how filthy this is here. Look at it.
She's a dirty bitch.
She's a dirty
bitch.
I've only got room for one dirty bitch in my life. Come on then.
You have only got room for one dirty bitch in your life, and that is the bike.
So guys, that estate that you would have just seen on the drone footage, if it worked, would have been just before this clip now, is called Alferton Estate, I believe it's pronounced, and that is the resting place of the late Princess Diana.
Oh, the late Princess Diana. Who are you trying to impress?
And after doing a bit of research on it, because I only found it the other day and I didn't even realise that she was buried there, Lord Spencer didn't want Princess Diana in the Spencer Vault. He wanted her buried somewhere that was easy for William and Harry to visit, and so she is buried on that little island, which I think is absolutely amazing. And like I said, it's right on our doorstep as well, and I never even knew about it.
It is really fascinating because it's really secluded, isn't it?
Yeah,
I'm not even looking at the signs, I'm not gonna lie.
A fucking hell, woman.
I'm just following
How can you not look at road signs?
You are.
How can you not look at the road signs?
I just don't look at them, I don't need to.
How do?
I was just like, yeah.
Well, it has actually turned out to be a very, very nice day.
It has. Even managed to squeeze in a trip to the in-laws.
Even managed to... Yeah, we have, yeah.
My in-laws, not yours, obviously.
Well, now it is definitely time to go home, get a nice shower, and get a beautiful Sunday dinner. Oh, I cannot wait.
Oh, I can't wait either.
Nom 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 nom.
Fucking hungry.
I'm drooling from my lips.
This is so nice being able to like get out now, you know, because we can just take Cameron with us.
Yeah.
And he's the one that wanted to go out, isn't he?
He is.
So it's nice because it means that, you know, we can still get to go out and enjoy.
Yeah, that's
the days and stuff.
That's what I meant when, you know, like on a Saturday or something, if we ain't got any plans and it's really, really nice. I know obviously we don't go riding on Saturdays quite a lot, but we can just...
We can do.
Yeah. Whereas before it was so hard to just go, I want to get content made, but for the two of us to go out would be so difficult to have to spring it on somebody to say, oh, can you look after Cameron for us, blah, blah, blah.
And that's the thing, it could never just be an off-the-cuff decision, could it? You know, you have to put loads of planning into it, and then when it comes to the day and it's raining miserable, like, you don't even want to go anyway.
Exactly, like, that's what I mean, like, we'd have to say to grandparents weeks in advance, saying, can you have him on this weekend because we want to go out, or can you do this, can you do that? I mean, obviously, yeah, we still got some events this year that Cameron won't be able to come to.
Yeah, obviously, but, I mean... It's not.
Yeah.
That's just a couple of weekends, isn't it? You know, that's just literally like, what, 3 weekends of the year? We could always tie his trunky to the back of my bike and I can drag it along. You know, where there's a will, there's a way. And I will find a way.
So guys, we don't know, I did let Kay do the outro, but I don't know if the camera's on or not. I think my camera is about to die as well, so quick recap on the day. Really, really good day out with Cameron once again. It's turned out to be such a beautiful day as well. Stepping stones with Cameron. Found a couple of, seen a nice road that I like to potentially add into the subs ride. Kay, you're flashing. So yeah, we're going to just finish the video off here just before the GoPro dies. So I hope you've enjoyed it, I hope you stay safe, and I hope to see you out there.